guys, what's going on? Oh my God, we've had kind of like a Disney week. Half half of our week we've been visiting the parks again a lot. So this will be like our third day visiting the parks.
Yeah, because we also did the weekend. So definitely it's been a Disney week and weekend.
Yeah. Today we're hanging out at Disney Springs and we're gonna go to the movies to check out the Indiana Jones movie.
So
I don't even remember what the name of the new Indiana Jones movie is. What is it?
Oh my God, I don't remember, babe.
The Dial of Doom. I don't know.
Oh, I think that's right.
There's something about a dial or something, babe. I don't know. And we got the tickets for only $7, guys. So on Tuesdays, they're much cheaper if you're a member of the whatever plan they got.
Stubs, it's AMC
Oh,
Stubs.
Stubs, yeah. It's awesome, man. We only paid, and we get to go into the dine-in theater, and we get to see Indiana Jones today. They don't have any posters up today? No, they have Elemental. So you can take pictures over there with the Elemental, you know, like the background. Where in the world do they have that? Must be on the other side. Maybe we should go. They might have the red carpet over there. By the way, guys, I almost forgot. Happy 4th of July. There comes Eva. I walked all the way over here because I'm testing out this microphone. I wasn't using my microphone, and I'm testing it out now. Just because this one, we got this one. We've had a few of these cheapy microphones that we've had, and they've never worked out. And once again, I tried this one at home.
Oh, there it is.
It sounds so good at home. So I want to test it out. So hold this for a second. And the farther away I walk, I want to see if it works for you guys, if it sounds better, you know? So I know I can go pretty far with it, but I was afraid to be close to the fountain where there's a lot of noise. Here I got there's music playing, there's people walking by and whatever. So let's see how it sounds. I figured out that maybe if I lower the microphone instead of wearing it up here, that maybe it'll sound better. By the time we come out of the movie, there's probably going to be a band playing here today. They always have a nice band playing. There's so many different ones that come here. They also have some really cool performers. It is a pretty cool stage. I want to walk over here to the water just to know if the sound is going to be affected through this microphone. If not, that would be awesome. But it's pretty loud with the fountain, so that's why I'm testing it. But then we're going to go inside and see how it sounds on the indoors, because when I tried it at home indoors, it sounded really good. And this is a cheapy microphone, like a $20 microphone. So eventually we're getting some good ones. But this is one thing that I always wanted to improve the sound. I think it's time that we do improve the sound. Heading indoors. And we're going to order some food. You ready?
Yeah, I hope I have the right barcode.
I hope I have the right name of the movie. I wonder if it's on our ticket.
Here, hold on. Oh.
What's it called?
Indiana Jones and the Dial of Destiny.
Oh, Dial of Destiny, not Dial of Doom.
And look, there is that total.
Yeah, it's
So
Indiana.
the tickets would have been $35, and instead they were $14 for the two of us. I mean, that's amazing.
Yeah.
So it's called
So that's only $7 a
AMC
ticket.
Stubs Discount Tuesdays.
Yeah. Where's our guy? Are you our guy? What's up, man? Good. All right, let's get our tickets. $7 tickets. You can't beat that, man. All right, my guy. Thank you. Let's go order. And we're gonna order now. Yummy, yummy. Thank you. Oh, I love the Coke machine.
So
What do
this
I
is
want?
where you place your order. You tell them what theater you're in, what seats. Oh, I gotta get the seats.
Let's check out the menu.
I gotta get my
popcorn,
seats.
avocado chicken grill, avocado chicken sandwich.
Guys, the Southern Chicken Tenders, that's amazing. And it has tater tots, it has pretzel bites. It's amazing. That's what I'm adding to the order. So we do want the tater tots. Hold on, I want tater tots. You'll see how it comes. Woo, it's so good.
That's good stuff.
What would you like to drink, sweetie?
I'm gonna have just a Coke.
And you want a...
What do we have for desserts?
Oh, hold on.
Do we have cheesecake or chocolate mousse, anything like that? No, I like the chocolates. Oh, chocolate cookies.
Hold on. As you order, you want cherry Coke or regular?
Regular Coke.
And I'm going to do a cherry Coke. These Cokes are ginormous. They're tiny size.
Yeah.
Okay, Candy, ready? Oh, sweets.
Sweets.
Oh my goodness. Okay, they have milkshakes. If you want to share one. They have churros with hazelnut, a brownie sundae. I'm going to save my sweets for the park.
Yeah, let's do
I'm
that.
going to have my Epcot float that I love.
Yeah. So by the way, we did fireworks yesterday, which was July 3rd. We did the fireworks show, which they do the exact show that we're doing tonight, one day before at Magic Kingdom. They close this month at 10 p.m. all month, except for yesterday and today. They close at 11 o'clock. So if you want to go to both events, you can go to fireworks for Epcot on the 4th and then just see the ones on the 3rd at Magic Kingdom. I'll have it on video. All right, so Eva got our order in. What did we order, babe?
I ordered the chicken nuggets.
Yeah,
it's
chicken
the
nuggets.
southern chicken nuggets, and it comes with pretzel bites and tater tots with a Coke, and for him, the flatbread pizza. It's all delicious, guys.
Good
This
stuff.
way.
All right, what number did we get this time? By the way, if you want some drinks here at AMC 24 in Disney Springs, look, there's a bar right here. Here's 1 through 20, 21 through 24 on the other side. And this theater is enormous, man. We gotta take a little tour. You can walk around the whole thing. It's like never ending. Like, we got lost from each other one time here. I went one way, she went the other way. Oh, see, it goes on forever, actually, so. Which one are we in?
We're in 20.
20, so let's go to 20. Oh, they got the Haunted Mansion poster up. The League.
So we're in G9 and G10, but I'm going to go to the restroom.
Bacon Chicken Mac. Wow, look at this. Bacon Chicken Mac.
Oh, wow.
Oh man, what
I'll
is
be right back.
this? Looks good. That's one thing I might have ordered. Bacon Chicken Mac. Haunted Mansion, look at this, July 28th. There it is. And there are all the characters. Is that Danny DeVito? That looks like Danny DeVito. Oh my god, I forgot his name. And I don't recognize anybody else. Let me know if you recognize him. Comment below. Okay, so we're in number 20. Eva didn't tell me the number of the seats. So I didn't know which ones to sit in. Here she comes.
It's G9 and G10.
G9, G10. It's really dark in here. Turned on my flashlight. G9, G10. Oh, nice. Look at that. So you get this for your food. Man, these are $7 seats. That's amazing.
And it reclines. It has heater.
Yeah.
So in the wintertime, it's amazing.
Yeah, it's really cool. Let me see. Ah, yeah. And then I'll have this here, my drink. Dinner will be right here. These recliner, they have heaters, which is awesome. What a great experience it is when you watch the movies here. I can't get over the price. $7 and you can come to Disney Springs and watch a movie. Yeah, it's pretty amazing.
Have a meal. We don't have to spend as much money.
I don't know why I'm so blown away by that. It's been a long time since I see something for $7. Oh man, we just saw the upcoming attractions for the Barbie movie. It looks pretty cool. I think I want to see it. And look, got the flatbread pizza. Oh my god, let's see. Ooh, man, that looks good. And of course the giant size soda.
It's chicken, tater tots, and pretzel bites. It's amazing.
Okay, time for us to pick out and enjoy the movie. Okay, we just came out of the movie. It was really good. What do you think, babe? How was the movie?
Loved it.
You loved it?
Yep.
If you're a fan and you see this movie and you really like it and you're coming down to Central Florida and you're going to visit Disney World, actually, go to Hollywood Studios where they have the Dial of Destiny on display now and you can actually touch it and everything. They have a pretty cool area there right by the Indiana Jones Sun Show, so you might want to check that out. Hey guys, we made it to Epcot. We just saw the Indiana Jones movie and I gotta say it's action-packed. It's pretty long and it's action-packed and I think it was great. Really enjoyed it. It was really entertaining. It was funny, but you know, also a lot of action. The only one thing, they did add science fiction to this movie, so there's some fantasy in it. It might ruin the story for some of you guys who have followed the series. So that's the only thing, but everything else was great. But now it does have a little science fiction added in there. Wow, that was amazing. Isn't that cool?
It was awesome.
That was super awesome, man.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is good.